Hey guys, it's Nightmare Corpse. Today we're going to be doing our Join the Mages Guild. So it says, I have joined the Mages Guild. I must acquire recommendations from all the local guild hall leaders in order to gain access to the Arcane University. So we're going to hit our map and see where it takes us first. So it's going to take us to Anvil. So we're going to travel to Anvil's main gate. And see what they make us do to get our recommendation. So, Anvil is it's actually just straight ahead. Luckily, it should be this right here. It is.
Some frivolous tasks you may be given at other guild halls. This is a serious matter and has consequences. Are you prepared? Then allow me to explain the task. The Council of Mages has entrusted me with resolving a situation along the Gold Road. Several traveling merchants have been found dead along the Gold Roads, with even more missing. The Council has asked that I put a stop to it. You are going to help me do so. We believe the killings are the actions of a rogue mage. Battle mages have been sent to the Brina Cross Inn, the only common link between the victims. You are to travel north to the Brina Cross Inn and speak with Ariel Gerard. She will give you further instructions.
Okay guys, so Anvil's actually a pretty easy one. Half the time it's really hard to remember what was I saying? It's really hard to remember what, which each Mages Guild recommendation is. It's easier instead of traveling to all the different cities to see where it's going to send you next. That's probably the quickest way to do it. This is actually a fairly quick quest. So we're gonna take Shadowmere again.
Why do you bother me? Go away!
I'm not bothering you. I didn't do anything to you. As you go along in the guilds, you'll find you're finding a lot more places around Oblivion to make your quests a lot easier to travel to.
I don't have time for you.
I'm not bothering you. I'm going my own freaking way. Yeah, you're a bandit. Go away. Go after the other one. So it's really hard to tell which ones are which, actually. So we're actually...
Is it necessary that you speak with me?
So I guess the Khajiit is not following. We're at the Brina Cross Inn. So, I mean, we're only 4 minutes in and pretty much going to be done. So, This is who we have talked to.
Hello, stranger. What can I do for you? Gabrielle has sent you, as you know. Go and speak with Christoph. Rent a room for the night. Once you have your room, he'll meet you there. If anyone asks, you are a traveling merchant. Nothing more. Do not say otherwise to anyone. No, friend. I'm afraid I don't know the way to Shaden Hall. But good luck in your travels. Please excuse me.
May I help you? Welcome to the Brina Cross Inn. Can I interest you in something to eat, or perhaps a bed for the night? Let me guess. Traveling on business? You don't look like you're out for a stroll. Ah, yes, thought so. We get many of them traveling through here. Oh, well, we used to. Haven't seen as many lately. What with the, well, you know, the murders. I don't like to talk about it much, as it's bad for business. At any rate, would you care for a bed for the night? Right then. The bed is just upstairs at the back of the inn. Sleep well. Take care.
Okay. So...
Pardon me, did I hear you say that you're a traveling merchant? Don't you worry, what with the recent killings and all? I'd be ever so scared if it were me. I haven't left the inn in days, just in case. Well, you take care of yourself. I'd hate to hear about another senseless death. Good luck to you. It's you. Hi.
What?
What's new with you?
I understand Daedra worship is becoming increasingly prevalent in the Somerset.
So you want to sleep for about 24 hours. By that point, she should come see you. It may take a little longer. Other than that, you want to just pretty much wait. "24 hours.
Hello there.
There she is.
All right, it should be safe to speak here. Once you've rested here, you need to continue along the Gold Road, heading east towards Kvatch. I shall be following out of sight, along with a fellow battle mage. Make no attempts to speak to us. Trust that we will protect you. Should you be confronted by this cowardly mage, do not hesitate to protect yourself by whatever means possible. Once the mage has revealed himself, we will step in and settle a matter quickly. Now get yourself some sleep. You'll need to be well rested.
I don't think you really need to wait 24 hours again. But it's better to wait till sometime during the day. So probably wait till about 9, 10 a.m. So it says, I spent the night at the Brina Cross Inn. I need to follow the gold road towards Kvatch and be wary of anyone along the road.
You've got some nimble fingers.
Okay, so the two are over here. Give them some time to follow you. I don't know where the heck she went.
I'm afraid your journey ends here, traveler. I'll be taking whatever you're carrying. After you're dead, of course. I do hope it's more than the last few had. They were most disappointing.
I just let them deal with it. Sometimes they end up dead, sometimes they don't, but the problem is if you end up hitting one of them, you're screwed. So it says I need to talk to Carl Hill in Anvil and inform her that Linda has been defeated. Take what she has.
You've done well. The Gold Road should be a little safer for now. You should return to Anvil and let Callahill know the work is complete. We'll remain here and clean things up.
So realistically, it's not that long of a quest. This one anyways. I mean, we're only hitting 11 minutes. So it takes about 11 minutes to do this one. The other ones, depending on what you're doing for them, could take a little longer. I don't know where it's going to take us to next. I would imagine it would take us to Skingrad, but sometimes it can be a little funky. So by the end of this, we'll probably be heading maybe about 13 minutes.
So, what of the rogue mage? Has he been found? A she, you say? And she's dead. Well, Ariel and Roliand did what needed to be done. No more innocent deaths. At least for now. You have done well enough for yourself. I'll pass along my recommendation to Reverence. Though I must say I doubt it will do you much good in the end. You'd be surprised how easily they forget about the little people.
Okay guys, so that's the end of this video. You guys can hit the like and the subscribe button, and you can check the description down below for my social media, and you guys will see me in the next video.